Are we really alone in the universe? Let's ponder for a moment on the immense scale of the cosmos. It's filled with billions upon billions of galaxies, each one housing countless stars. Surrounding these stars are innumerable planets, many of which could potentially harbor life. The sheer numbers suggest that the existence of extraterrestrial life is not just a possibility, but a probability. With so many planets out there, surely we can't be the only intelligent life, can we? This brings us to a fascinating concept known as the Fermi paradox. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is this paradox all about? Well, it's quite simple yet profoundly mind-boggling. Named after the physicist Enrico Fermi, this paradox revolves around the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the deafening silence we're met with when we reach out into the cosmos. Our universe is unimaginably vast, with billions upon billions of stars, each potentially hosting planets. Many of these celestial bodies could very well have conditions suitable for life, much like our own Earth. With such a staggering number of possibilities, one would expect the universe to be teeming with life, and yet we've yet to encounter any evidence of it. This is the crux of the Fermi paradox. Given the sheer scale of the universe and the likelihood of life-sustaining environments, it seems rather odd, doesn't it? We've got all these cosmic addresses, a universe that's been around for about 14 billion years, but not a single postcard from an extraterrestrial neighbor. This paradox pokes at a fundamental question. Are we alone in the universe? It's a question that has puzzled and intrigued scientists, philosophers, and dreamers for centuries. And it's a question that continues to push us to explore the great beyond, seeking answers in the cosmic ocean. So, where is everybody? One attempt to answer this question comes from the Drake equation. This mathematical formula, conceived by radio astronomer Frank Drake in the early 1960s, is a way to estimate the number of advanced civilizations potentially existing in our galaxy. Let's break it down, shall we? The Drake equation is made up of 7 variables, each representing a crucial step on the path to advanced life. It starts with the rate of star formation in our galaxy, then multiplies this by the fraction of those stars that have planetary systems. Next, it considers the number of planets per solar system with an environment suitable for life, and the fraction of suitable planets where life actually starts. It's a bit like a cosmic lottery, isn't it? But we're not done yet. The equation then factors in the fraction of life that evolves to become intelligent, and the fraction of intelligent life that develops technology that could be detected by an extraterrestrial civilization, like radio signals. Finally, it accounts for the length of time such civilizations might be able to communicate. The magic of the Drake equation is that it transforms the overwhelming concept of space exploration into a series of manageable questions we can tackle with science and observation. However, it comes with its own uncertainties. The values for many of these variables are yet to be determined, making the final number of civilizations a wide-ranging estimate. And while it doesn't give us a definitive answer, it does provide a framework for understanding the factors involved in the existence of extraterrestrial life. But the Drake equation also seems to suggest there should be other civilizations out there, so again, where is everybody? Opening. Many have proposed solutions to this paradox. In our quest to answer Fermi's question, a number of solutions have been proposed. One of the most intriguing is the idea of a great filter. This theory suggests that at some point in the development of intelligent life, there's a barrier or filter that is difficult to cross. It could be anything from a devastating global catastrophe to the self-destruction that comes with advanced technology. If this filter exists, it might explain why we haven't heard from any extraterrestrial civilizations. Perhaps they've all met their end before reaching a point where they could communicate with us, or maybe we're on the brink of encountering our own great filter. Another compelling theory is that civilizations might choose isolation. The universe is vast and, for all we know, quite dangerous. So it's plausible that advanced civilizations might choose to lay low, avoiding any communication that could attract unwanted attention. They could be out there, silently observing, or entirely indifferent to our existence. Then there's the zoo hypothesis, which suggests that we're like animals in a cosmic zoo, watched over by advanced civilizations that have chosen not to interfere with us. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? That we're just exhibits in an alien zoo, our every move observed and studied. And what about the possibility that we're simply not listening correctly? methods of searching for extraterrestrial life are based on our own understanding of communication and technology. But what if alien civilizations communicate in ways we can't even fathom? They could be sending us messages through quantum entanglement, or using some form of communication that we haven't even discovered yet. It's like trying to pick up a radio signal with a telescope. We might just be using the wrong tools. Lastly, there's the theory that we're just too early. In the grand timescale of the universe, humanity is but a blink of an eye. Maybe the cosmic party hasn't started yet, and we're the early birds, waiting for the guests to arrive. Each of these solutions presents intriguing possibilities, but none provide a definitive answer. We're left to ponder, to wonder, and to continue our search. The universe is a grand mystery, and it's up to us to unravel it. Closing. Each of these solutions presents intriguing possibilities, but none provide a definitive answer. The Fermi paradox leaves us with more questions than answers. It's a cosmic conundrum that taps into the very essence of our existence. As we stand on the precipice of the universe, gazing into the endless expanse of space, we find ourselves grappling with the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact or evidence. This paradox has profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. If the cosmos is teeming with life, why haven't we found any signs of it? If we are indeed alone, what does that mean for our existence? These are the questions that keep astrophysicists, astronomers, and space enthusiasts up at night. The Fermi paradox thrusts us into a deep philosophical introspection, compelling us to reconsider our significance or lack thereof in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Are we a rare gem in an otherwise barren universe? Or are we just another unremarkable species in a cosmic ocean brimming with life? The paradox forces us to confront the possibility of our solitude in the universe, a concept that is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Even more intriguing, the Fermi paradox raises questions about the future of humanity. If advanced civilizations do exist, what does their silence tell us about our own destiny? Does it hint at a great filter, a cataclysmic event that wipes out civilizations before they can make contact with others? Or perhaps civilizations choose isolation, preferring to observe rather than interact. This speculative thinking pushes the boundaries of our imagination, spurring us on to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding aliens. It's about understanding the fundamental laws that govern the universe and life itself. It's about pushing the limits of our knowledge and technology. It's about igniting our curiosity and fueling our sense of wonder. The Fermi paradox may leave us with more questions than answers, but it also underscores the importance of continuing our quest for knowledge. It reminds us that we are explorers, pioneers on a cosmic journey of discovery. Each question we ask, each theory we propose, brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. Whether we are alone or not, the search for extraterrestrial life continues to expand our understanding of the universe and ourselves. Remember, the universe is a vast place, full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled.